The National Weather Center at the University of Oklahoma, located in Norman, Oklahoma, installed a new DX Engineering 3x10 SkyHawk antenna in June of 2018.
Everybody wants to see it, but nobody wants to come out here and watch it. Fuckers.
I'm jealous.
All right.
The new HF antenna atop the NWC is now installed. Installation was handled by Top Hand Tower. The antenna was installed on their spire at approximately 150 feet. It's important to recognize that this station would not exist without Doug Forsyth's WX5DF Foresight, technical support from Ken Brown and 5K UK, support from the University of Oklahoma, and support from the National Severe Storms Laboratory. 73 from Kim Elmore, N5OP, Oklahoma University Amateur Radio Club Faculty Advisor. Visit DX Engineering online and check out the DX Engineering SkyHawk antenna. DX Engineering, your source for quality amateur radio products. Visit us online at www.dxengineering.com.